What's up, everybody? So, put the ladder rack on the truck from Amazon. I'm not even sure the name of it, to be honest. The name of it will be in the description below. $89. What? $89 for this bad boy. It's fantastic. A lot of people were talking about the welds on it, and it came a little scuffed up. Well, for goodness sake, it's a ladder rack, right? I mean, come on. They said the welds were a little too bad, big on there. It's fine. It's fine. So here's the trouble I had with mine, and it's only because I don't have a regular truck bed. Actually, I have a flatbed that I put this on, all right, that I made this last year. Because this back end is a little bit higher, because I made the bed of it a little higher, so it's kind of slanted like this. The front of it, as you can see, the light right here, if I was to put a ladder on there, what would happen, even if I try to push that bar out a little bit more, it wouldn't give enough clearance for my ladder, so my ladder would actually be sitting on top of that. So what I'm going to do that will help me out is it comes with these bolts here, and there's nothing in those bolts. And so what I'm going to use that for is I'm going to go ahead and take a 2x4. I'll paint it all black so it looks real nice, okay, and I'll put it right on like that, and it'll give me the extra 2-inch clearance that I'll need for this. So it'll be all set to go. So same thing on this side. I'll go ahead and I'll put the bolts right in here is what I need. So we'll be all set to go. But yeah, honestly, sturdy as all get out. Take a look. It will rock my bed of my truck. I don't know if you see that or not. It will rock that back and forth. Very, very, very sturdy. I have no problems with that. I had the ladder rack like this from Harbor Freight, and I just sold this sucker because it's not doing what I want it to do. It wobbles back and forth. I don't need that wobble. I just need it to go across, throw it on the ladder, and away I can go, so I can make the job very quick and easy. So Amazon ladder rack, 2 thumbs up. I'll put the description below. It's so cold out here. It's April 10th here in Michigan, and today it was 33 degrees. So very, very cold. I started out at 31 degrees. It got up to 44 degrees, but with the wind chill, it still felt like in the 35s, 36. So, all right, love you guys. Until next time, see you.